Hey, Mike from Rapid Restore here, and today I'm going to show you guys how we properly flash a chimney. So if you could see, the roof is old, we got some moss and lichen growth, it's a bit frosty out today, but look at these flashings. This is a source of leaks. You could see they tried to repair it with some tar. Look at all the damage around here. You got open flashings. It's just entry points for water. So this chimney requires a cricket. A cricket is going to help prevent snow and water from sitting here at the base of the chimney. Now that we finished the cricket, it's time to do the underlayments. As with any roof penetration, we're going with an ice shield underlayment to ensure even the most wind-driven rain will not get between this roof and the chimney. Now that we got our underlayments down, it's time to grind in the chimney flashings. The reason why we do this is to cover the flashings that are going to go underneath. This is the most important step in making sure that a chimney stays waterproof. Check it out. As you can see, we use a blower to make sure that that red dust doesn't end up on our beautiful new roof. And now it's time to put the roof on. As you can see, we use these metal step flashings to put in between the roof shingle and the chimney. This is what keeps water from going in between the cracks here. Right, guys, this is where the magic happens. Every single chimney counter flashing is custom fabricated on a brake machine just like this, using trim coil metal just like this. No two chimney flashings are the same. We'll go up on the roof and see what it looks like installed. And it's time for the final step. We're going to install the chimney counter flashings. The point of this is to prevent water from coming behind the flashings, which we already installed. Notice how the metal is going to slide into the brick where we already ground out. It's going to look beautiful when it's all finished. Check it out.